Guys, Steph from Click here, just jumping in to do another case study for you all. So here at Click, we work with service-based businesses, and we work with a lot of trades-based businesses out of that. So that can be anything from sort of plumbers and electricians through to businesses like this that I'm about to show you. So this is a business that's running a couple of different services, and this business is based in Adelaide in Australia here. So currently we're running a gutter repair and replacement campaign for them, and also a patio, veranda and carports campaign. So two different services, and we're also running these to two separate landing pages. So a user will type in a keyword related to gutter repair and replacement. They'll see the ad, which has sort of those keywords in it too, and then they'll end up on a landing page that's all about gutter repair and replacement. So keeping it in a very consistent flow for the user and what they're looking for, and same with the other one, obviously. So I'm just going to run through them one by one and show you what we've managed to generate in the way of results for this client. So this is a 1 month period, so March of this year, and their budget is about $2,000 per campaign, so about $4,000 all up for the month. And starting with the gutter repair and replacement campaign, we've had 2,700 impressions and 157 clicks out of that, about a 5.8% click-through rate, and an average cost per click of about $13.75. This one spent $2,160 for the month, and out of that we've managed to generate 46 phone calls, which is absolutely incredible for this client. And we've also managed to generate 4 landing page inquiries too. So obviously phone calls is the preferred way that people are getting in touch with this business, but 46 calls in a month, considering we're running Monday to Friday only, is pretty incredible. That sort of brings us to a cost per conversion of $80.05 with a 17.2% conversion rate, which is incredible. Then if we jump into the patio, veranda and carports campaign, they've spent just over $2,000 for this one. They've had 3,500 impressions, 184 clicks, click-through rate of about 5.2, and a cost per click of $11 there. So from this, we've managed to generate 31 phone calls, which is pretty incredible again, and 4 landing page inquiries as well for this one. So overall, that's over 70 phone calls plus 8 forms for this business in 1 month, and that's just running 20 days a month, so that's Monday to Friday only. So really incredible results for this client. They're very happy. They turned a lot of these clients into their own clients, paying clients, which is really great to see. And we've really managed to ramp these results up over the last couple of months that we've been working with these clients. So really good to see all round, and we can help you out doing this sort of results for your business too. If you've got a trades-based business, if you've got a service-based business, feel free to get in touch, and we can definitely check it out for you.